Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? I hope you are all feeling awesome. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create a wonderful artwork, which is drawing with diamond. Let's dive in. In order to get started, we say goodbye to this cat. Bye. And then we go here. And then we are going to add an extension, which is pen. With this pen extension, we can do lots of amazing things. So let's see one example. Before we start, I'm going to show you a quick demo of one of the things that you can create with pen. So let's click start. And you see, this is so wonderful. Would you like to see how to make this? Stay tuned. Welcome to Kidicode Ninja tutorial. This is Eddie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. Well, we got rid of the cat and we have no sprite. So let's go here and choose something. I've chosen this crystal, but you can obviously choose whatever your heart desires. So let's start with this. First thing first, when start clicked, we want something to happen, which is, so first of all, we want to clear the screen so that we can start with this part with nothing in it. So in order to do that, I go to pen again, and there is an option of erase all. So as you saw in the demo, what was happening was something kept being repeated. So I go to control and I drag forever because I'm thinking of a repetitive behavior, which is this cool feature stamp. So I'm gonna forever stamp with this sprite, and I'm also gonna stamp and move. So like move 10 steps. Let's run it and see. So this is so far. Now it's time to enhance it. I want it to be colorful, so I go to go to looks, and I'm gonna change color effect by, let's say, by 5 or 10. Let's see how it looks like. Oops. Okay, let's fix the location. So I want it to rotate, or like I want it to follow my mouse. Let's go to motion and drag this point towards mouse pointer. Now it looks like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? But we can keep enhancing it. So in order to do that, I'm gonna turn another motion, turn. So every time that I'm in this loop, I want to turn it some amount, like not 15 degrees, to make it even more interesting. I can turn it some like random number, 15 to 30. So the diamond is turning around. It's also a bit small, so I can also change the size to so 100% means exactly this size, but I'm also gonna do that some random number, more The more random numbers we add, the pattern is gonna be more exciting. That's what I think. So maybe 150 to 300, so some are smaller and some are bigger, so you see how cool it is. One more thing that I can do to create more applications out of that, like being able, for instance, to write with this, is I should be able to discontinue creating patterns. Let's say I want to write my name. I write E, and then I want to go to the next letter. So I want to be able to stop it and then continue from here. So what if I just stop it and press start, everything is gonna be deleted. So I need a different solution, which I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna write a condition. I would say if from sensing, if mouse is down, when I left click on my mouse and hold it in that condition, I would say pen up. So in that situation, it won't write. So it's gonna help me to be able to go to the next letter. So now I'm gonna write, I'm gonna write E, and now I wanna stop it. So I hold my mouse and then I put it here. So I don't hold and release, I keep holding it. And then I write the next letter. And again, I'm gonna repeat it, not much space for me, but I could write 2 letters. Okay. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like it and please subscribe to my channel so that I can be seen in this YouTube and more people would be able to join and use these tutorials. Thank you so much and see you next week.